once you have wired in your LEDs and paired your receivers to the wall plate, this will now control the LEDs. You have the temperature gauge in the middle going from warm white to cool white. You then have the zones at the bottom where if you click on the zones, it will change only that zone for the function. So if you click on zone 1, this will turn it on, and zone 2, you can also turn them off by holding down the zones instead of quick touching. You have 4 set scenes at the top, so you can change the colours to your desired temperature, and once you have them where you want to, you can save it to a scene, and then they're already there automatically for when you want to turn them straight back on, so you don't have to keep changing the temperatures and finding what you like. You then have the brightness lower and upper on the left and right hand side, and the on-off button in the middle.